Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Rust client, console access, and permission to change binds. This prevents surprises later. Once done, open the console and enable quick chat features, toggle the setting or load the plugin, then assign a concise bind key for your primary wheel. You should also create a short list of common phrases, categorized by urgency and team use, so you can populate slots quickly. This saves time in pressure situations and streamlines testing right away. Now you populate quick chat slots. Open the config or UI, pick each slot, and type short, unambiguous phrases, team, enemy, help, so they read clearly when spammed. Next, map keys and modifier combos for primary and secondary wheels. Make sure bindings don't clash with movement or hotbar keys. Once mappings are set, test them in a private server, observe delays and truncation, then adjust phrasing and timing. This process reduces miscommunication and ensures your quick chat operates exactly as intended. To finish, save your configuration and create a backup so updates don't overwrite your setup. Include version notes for future fixes. Then validate in actual play. Use the quick chat under load, confirm message visibility, and tweak for clarity. If issues appear, unbind conflicting keys, restart the client, and retest. For persistent failures, check server permissions, plugin compatibility, and console error logs. These usually reveal missing triggers or syntax errors. This final sweep ensures reliable, predictable quick chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.